Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel your subscription in Evernote. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials, and then canceling your subscription here on Evernote is a simple process. All right, so once again, on your mobile device, if you're using an iOS or an Android, I want you to hover to the upper left corner. That would lead you to your profile icon, and I want you to click the settings. What will happen is, you see at the very bottom, there is an option here that says more settings that has the languages, close account, and change email. I want you to click on it. Now, if you do that, you will notice that as of the moment, my account summary shows three things: the subscription plans for Evernote Free, the Evernote Personal, and the Evernote Professional. Now, in my case, I am using the free one. So, you see, account level is Evernote Free. I have this kind of limited options, right? Remaining this month is my monthly limit resets in 7 days. I have like a 250 MB. And if you wanted to exceed this and unlock the potential of Evernote, you might want to subscribe to the other paid plans, which are Evernote Personal and the Evernote Professional. And if you have subscribed and want to cancel that, all I have to do is click that option. For example, this second Evernote Personal, click the cancel option and just have to follow the on-screen instructions. It's very easy, really, right? I can't show you that because I am using the free one, but if you do, please, you have that option right here. Okay, now on the other hand, if you are currently having problems, you know, canceling your subscription, the best thing is we need to go to the help section. All right, how? All we're gonna do is go here in the top right corner, upper left corner again, click the help section. That would lead you to the submit a support request, and that includes the contacting the Evernote support service. All right, takes a little while depending on the active internet connection. You see there is accounts and subscriptions. Click on it. You will be forwarded to this section. All right, so account type, can put in, for example, you're using the personal. Select a topic. I'd like to request a refund, or maybe you want to cancel. All right, so from here, how did you pay? Maybe is it gonna be like your Evernote website, credit card, PayPal, iTunes, and Google Play? You want to make sure that you put in all the correct information so that the customer service support staff will give you a detailed help and guidance on how to fix your problem. Because the more you give the more you give information, it's going to be a lot easier for them to troubleshoot. All right, maybe you are entitled for say a refund. Who would know, right? So put in the last payment date, latest invoice. All right, amount paid, for example, latest payment is around January 1st. Latest invoice is maybe, right, amount paid is kind of like, email address is, put your email address here. Yes. All right, click on yes. Hopefully yes, we're looking for a refund. If you don't, you better click the downgrade option. Click the cancel subscription. All right, and from here you can also put in the latest description, and if you have like a supplemental information such as a screenshot, you might want to click on submit and add a file, and one of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting step, and hopefully fix the problem of canceling your subscription here in Evernote. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.